Dogecoin may fundamentally arrive at a sort of limit of 15 cents toward the finish of 2023. Doge is supposed to come to the $1 mark toward the finish of 2029, with a possible most certainly high of $1.19 for the year in an unobtrusive manner. The crypto market really has progressed significantly from being in every practical sense restricted to just crude digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, or so they thought. The space has been already exceptionally liberal to have a plenty of tasks from fluctuated areas with and without utility. Progressively, image coins from the business have generally gathered the interest of the majority, or so they thought. Dogecoin cryptographic money is one such model. The especially top image coin Dogecoin most certainly is the first to woof with regards to image coins incredibly. Sent off in December 2013, the computerized token has earned gigantic fame in unfamiliar trade market and crypto local area in a significant manner, with preferring from famous people, tycoon financial backers, and virtual entertainment savvy. All things considered, financial backers are as yet enthused about Doge to really put away cash, in spite of arising opponents like Shiba Inu, and have been contemplating over its future possibilities. Dogecoin has one of the barely the biggest market cap, as per specialists and specialized experts. Dogecoin is supposed to go up before very long explicitly. Could it be said that you are excited about this image coin's future cost expectation? Participate as we jump into the by and large conceivable Dogecoin cost forecast 2023 to 2025 and the years to come. Dogecoin cost expectations has been to a great extent negative for more often than not starting from the start of 2022, in opposition to prevalent thinking. In the interim, bullish possibilities in a real sense truly do generally arise as the costs it's set to expand generally. Dogecoin cost expectation for 2023 could go from 7 cents to 15 cents for the year. Dogecoin's value gauge 2023, in spite of prevalent thinking. Cryptographic money especially had experienced an immense misfortune earlier year. 2023 explicitly has especially begun with a promising up note and following a steady upturn driving financial backers to in every practical sense, except that this coin has serious areas of strength for it. Contributing now is considered as a generally safe by numerous expert examiners as the market is optimistically, simultaneously in every way that really matters. Many powerhouses and financial backers likewise offer us venture guidance of this to generally be the ideal chance to purchase Doge in an unpretentious manner. Dogecoin cost and Shiba Inu cost are supposed to get some forward momentum in 2023, as the image space would really turn into merchants number one to battle commonly potential expansion dangers. The chance certainly is additionally legitimate, as the normal time a token generally is held is a shocking 1.8 years in an unobtrusive manner. Subsequently, toward the finish of 2023, the image coin could hit a potential sort of high of 15 cents. All things considered, a potential emergency in the business could dump the cost to 7 cents. Progressively, the typical cost of Dogecoin could settle at 11 cents. Doge value figure 2024. If the group behind rollouts out formative updates and genuine use cases, the really canine coin could charge facing industry pioneers in an unpretentious manner. In such a case, Doge value expectations could bomb to its sort of greatest worth of 26 cents, which basically is very critical. On the really flip side, the ebbing position of image coins and decreasing volumes could cut the value down to 13 cents. All things considered, a harmony among trading tensions could land the Dogecoin cost at 19 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2025. A rising FOMO with powerhouse advancements towards Dogecoin cost might warm up to 44 cents. Furthermore, on the off chance that it could fundamentally make do with a significant development rate in an exceptionally cutthroat space from now on, the normal will strike at 32 cents. Then again, if parts of the crypto like zero marking rewards and not by and large much usefulness influence the market, or so they thought, then, at that point, the cost could slide to its likely low at around 22 cents. Doge value expectation. The way that advertisers are very hopeful about the venture and superstars jumping legs can drive Dogecoin cost into a worth that everybody would stunningness at, as performed Dogecoin cost projections for 2023, which is genuinely huge. On the off chance that its exchanging volume rises further, we can anticipate that the Doge cost should flood to 15 cents as the year closes. Then again, assuming the market is struck again by outside powers like guidelines or negative proclamations by powerhouses, the image coin could exchange at a likely low of 7 cents. All things considered, an equilibrium in trading tensions could land the Dogecoin cost at 11 cents. What is Dogecoin? Dogecoin is an easy-to-understand digital money project sent off on December 6, 2013. It was forked from Litecoin and is generally upheld by numerous wallets and trades. The fundamental use case is for making installments, and as of late it essentially has likewise been utilized as a tipping coin for certainly remunerating little tokens to individuals during online entertainment collaboration. Dogecoins are inflationary coins while Bitcoins for the most part are deflationary coins. This is on the grounds that Bitcoin in a real sense has a breaking point on the quantity of coins that will be delivered and utilized for mining. On the other side, Dogecoin has no such cutoff points and is thusly inflationary, which adds for its potential benefit. Crucial examination following the gigantic outcome of Bitcoin. Dogecoin was sent off in the December of 2013. In a simple 1 month, there were north of 1 million guests to the authority site. What began with a cost of $0 and presently represents a return for capital invested of 10,440.78%. Dogecoin really was made by Billy Marcus, Oregon, and Jackson. It was presented as a joke, however, who realized it would truly turn out to be so huge in the crypto world. It is likewise utilized by retailers to get installments from other approved dealers. As a matter of fact, Dogecoin Verifiable Market Opinions 2013 to 2021. Dogecoin made its presentation in December 2013 at $0, a market capitalization of $3.5 million, in spite of prevalent thinking. For a year, Dogecoin generally was on a vertical direction and multiplied dramatically, which is very critical. The year 2014 was not liberal for Dogecoin, as new digital currencies, for example, Neo, Heavenly, and Monero arose on the lookout, because of which Doge's value tumbled to $0 a significant manner. Fellow benefactor Jackson Palmer quit the undertaking startlingly in 2015. With the news, the world started to talk about Doge's looming passing. Doge figured out how to exchange at $0 the finish of December 2015. Dogecoin didn't cross the $0 minus 0.0003 cost range until 2017. The worth of the coin rose decisively to $0 the spring of 2017 and further kept on differing in an extremely significant manner. Shockingly, Doge flooded to $0 the finish of 2017. Dogecoin cost declined in the midst of fixing of digital forms of money across Southeast Asian nations. Yet it recuperated rapidly to hit 1 cent, really in spite of prevalent thinking. The cost in a real sense closed at $0 in the year 2018. The altcoin exchanged sideways in 2019 for a significant part of the year. Toward the finish of December 2019, Dogecoin was exchanging at $0. Dogecoin proceeded with its exchange at $0 the beginning of January. With an in every practical sense, consistent improvement, the value figured out how to reach $0 mid of February. Doge began a vertical direction in the midst of the development of Bitcoin's cost rally and really finished the year at $0. The well-known image coin in a real sense acquired really monstrous consideration. At the point when it flooded more than 800% and for the most part unloaded almost 300% in a solitary day. Later, following a progression of occasions and backing from Elon Musk, Doge flooded more than 15,000% to an unsurpassed high of 74 cents on 8th May. The SNL occasion prompted the image coin's dive, which sort of was additionally exasperated by the market decline that left the cost at 22 cents on 19th May, which in a real sense is very huge. Dogecoin truly had ended the year with a sticker price of 16 cents. Is Dogecoin a wise speculation? Indeed, Dogecoin could be a by and large wise speculation in the event that you are hoping to contribute as long as possible.